logic gates, AND gate, OR gate, right? NOT gate, XOR, right? NOR and NAND gate, right? These are all going to become the basic digital logic gates. This basic digital logic gates we are going to be discussed in terms of ladder logic circuits. Ladder logic circuits, right? So what are the gates are there? First one is the AND gate, AND gate, right? Then OR gate, right? Then NOT gate, right? So what is the symbol for AND gate normally, right? First one is, if you discuss AND gate, right? What is the symbol for AND gate? This one is the symbol for the AND gate, right? Depending upon the inputs, this number of inputs maybe 1, 2 or more than 2 input gates are there. This is the first input gate, input 1, right? Input 2, right? Input 3, right? So output is going to become, for example, this is the P is the output, 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 right? When this particular output is going to be 1, if all inputs are going to be 1, then only output is going to be 1, right? This is all you know. This is the basic digital logic gate, right? How it is going to be work. If all are ones, then output is going to be 1. So same in terms of same in terms of digital, sorry, this ladder logic circuits, the AND gate is going to be like this. This is the so output is P. This is input 1, right? This is input 2. This one is the input 3, right? So see, equivalent ladder logic circuit of AND gate, ladder logic circuit of AND gate, right? If 3 inputs are there, that is the reason 3 normally open logics, right? Logic normally open are placed in series. This output is going to be 1. If you activate 1, this is not going to be activated, right? This is not going to be 1. You know this particular one, the how it is going to be worked, right? So if all are 1, that means this one is also activated, 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 then only output is 1. Then only output is 1. If any one logic, that means rung, any one rung is not activated, that means not for, if it is activated, then only this circuit is going to be closed. This rung is, this contact, normally open contact is going to be activated, then only it's going to be short circuited, then only it is going to be, signal is going to be moved further end, right? So this is equivalent circuit of the AND gate, right? In the similar way, so if, for example, if OR gate is there, this is the basic circuit of OR gate for the 3 inputs, right? So output is once again P. For example, this output is going to be 1. Even any one input is going to be, if any one input is going to be 1, then this output is going to be 1, right? Equivalent circuit of basic this OR gate of PLC gate is this one. This is the way this basic OR gate is going to be existed in PLC ladder programming, right? In PLC ladder programming, this is the way we need to construct the rung for the OR gate, right? For the OR gate, this output is going to be 1. Even this input is 1, or this input is 1, or this input is 1. This input is 1, right? So see here, if this particular contact, normally open contact, if you activate, this is going to be closed, right? Then power is passing through like this, right? And output is going to be activated, right? If, for example, this one is activated, this particular contact is going to be activated, this normally open contact is going to be closed, right? Then power is going to pass through this line to activate the output. Like that in the third one also, any one, if it is 1, then output is going to be 1, right? So this is equivalent ladder rung for the OR gate, right? In the similar way, if you consider NOT gate, this is the NOT gate, right? If input is 1, the output is going to be like this. So its equivalent circuit is like this. Alright, so if input is 1, alright, so this is also activated. This one is the, for example, X, right? This X is going to become now input, though this one now is going to become the P. This one is going to become the P. This real output, this output, alright, this output. So here see, if it is 1, input is 1, this one is going to be 1. Alright, that means what? If it is activated, normally open contact is going to be closed, then output is going to be 1. This output you can give for the second rung as a input, right? Now for example, this is 1, this is 1. What will happen? Actually output you are going to get, according to the basic digital gate, 0 is going to be get. So this equivalent rung you just you just look into the equivalent rung here, right? If it is 1, if you activate this particular contact, so output is going to become 1, output is going to become 1, right? Whenever this is 1, so this is up to now this is going to be 1, output is 1, but whenever this is 1, this normally closed contact is going to be open. That is the reason output is going to become 0. Output is going to become 0. Like that, this is the equivalent circuit of the OR gate, right? You can see here, this is the basic logic rung for the AND gate. This is the basic logic rung for the OR gate. This one is the basic rung for the NOT gate. Basic rung for the NOT gate, right? So now you'll see, if you see, for the NAND gate and NOR gate, this is the NAND gate and NOR gate, right? So what is the way NAND gate is going to be adjusted? Basic digital gate. So here if it is input 1, input 2, input 3, right? So now it is going to become the NAND gate. So output. If input 1 and input 2, input 3, if all are ones, then only output is 0. According to the NAND gate, what? If all are ones, then only output is 0. If any one is 0, output is 1. Output is 1 for the NAND gate. So equivalent ladder logic is going to be present like this. For example, this is the rung for the AND gate. So input 1, input 2, input 3. So output, right? This output is going to act like a input here, and this is going to become the, this is going to be become the output, right? See, this is input 1, right? This is the input 1. This one is the input 2, right? This one is the input 3, right? Now we are going to get some X output. That X output is going to become the input to the second rung, right? Here we are going to get the real output of the so real output means total output of this particular NAND gate. See, look at this particular one. If any one is 0, then what will happen? If any one is input is 0, this is normally open contact. It's not going to be closed. That is the reason output is going to become 0, right? Once output is going to become 0, so this is going to become 0. Once it is 0, it's normally closed contact, right? If it is 1, then only normally, for example, this is a normally closed contact, right? If it is activated, that means if input is for this is 1, then it's going to become normally open, right? It is going to be disconnect this particular continuity, right? For example, if you normally open contact, if you activate, then it's going to be closed, then contact will happen, right? So like that, whenever this is 0, this 0 means it's already normally closed contact only, so it is in one state only, 1, it's going to be 1, right? It's going to be 1. So that is only, right? If any one is 0, output is going to be 1 only, right? If any one 0, right? If all are ones, for example, if all are ones, all inputs are ones, then what will happen? This is going to be 1. This output X is going to be 1. Whenever this is 1, this is acting like input to the normally closed contact, then it's going to be opened, then there is no power flow from this line voltage to the towards the ground. That is the reason this is going to become the 0, right? If all are ones, output is 0 means what? That is the NAND gate. If any one is 0, then output is 0 means what? That is NAND gate. So equivalent circuit of the NAND gate is going to become, you can write like this using ladder diagram, right? In the similar way, if you go for the NOR gate, if you go for the NOR gate, right? How NOR gate is going to be adjusted? This is the NOR gate. For the input 1, input 2, input 3. In the more than 3 inputs also you can consider, but I am explaining based on this particular 3 input data, right? Input 3, right? So what is the way of output is going to be controlled? Output is going to be get from the basic logic gate, right? If any one input is 0, what is the output? Any one input is 0, what is the output? 1. If all inputs are zeros, what? If all inputs are zeros, output is 0, then also 1. If all inputs are ones, then it's going to be, output is going to be 0. If any one input is 1, output is 0 only, right? So if any one input is 1, output is going to be 1, that is become 0, right? If all inputs are ones, output is going to become 0 only. If all inputs are zeros, then output is going to become 1 for the NOR gate. If you look at equivalent circuit of the ladder logic, see here, this is the ladder logic equivalent circuit. So parallelly we need to connect now switches, right? Then you are going to get one output X, right? If this X is going to give as a input to this one, this is going to become the P, normally closed contact X, right? So now it is going to become input 1, input 2, input 3. So this one is going to work like this. So if any one, right, if any one input is 1, for example, if you activate this particular input 1, then what will happen? This continuity will take place. X is going to become 1. If it is 1, so it is, by that time this is normally closed contact. That is the reason up to that time it is 1. But whenever it's activated 1, what will happen? This is going to be opened. There is no power flow from this line to, that means line voltage to the ground line, right? So that is the reason it's going to become 0. If this is only this one is 1 only, so it is going to be open. Normally closed contact is going to be open, then it is 0 only, right? This one is 1, then also like that only. For example, if all are zeros, if all inputs are zeros, 3 inputs are zeros, then what will happen? This output is going to become 0. This output is going to become 0 means, this is 0 means this normally closed contact is not going to be opened. That is the reason this line voltage will pass, and this is going to become 1. It is going to become 1. So that is the way it's working as a NOR gate, NOR gate only, right? So this is the equivalent logic, PLC logic rung for the NOR gate, for the NOR gate. So like that, these are the equivalent PLC logic gates for AND, OR, NOT, NOR and NAND, right? For the NOR, for the XOR also you can write rungs like this. These are going to be used for the while writing the PLC ladder logic for different applications, right? So this is about the basic logic gates, basic logic gates, right? Now we are going to discuss, right, how you can convert from ladder logic to the digital logic gate circuit, or digital logic gate circuit to the ladder logic circuit, ladder logic circuit. So we'll see one example here how you can convert from ladder logic circuit to the digital logic circuit, and other example digital logic circuit to the ladder logic